Hello everyone, an update here on the HIMARS strike that damaged the Belgorod dam and breached it the other day. I have a video for you, filmed by Russians, showing their flooded defensive positions and flooded logistics roads, subtitled by war translated. I'm going to play it without me talking.
Вот так вот позиция дуб разлилась, вода вышла с берегов, вся дорога потопление. Ёбаный. Вот машина стоит в воде, встала, а выехать не может.
Вот в таком плачевном состоянии переправа.
Вчера такая же была? Она каждый день. Нет, я думал, прилет-то был по ней. Прилетник переправа был. Там танк какой-то.
Закатили многие все насквозь мокрые. Давайте.
Вот так, Наташа. После прорыва Белгородской дамбы мы за сутки из пехоты превратились в морскую пехоту. Но нам повезло, а вот на соседней позиции вообще весь блиндаж затопило вместе с аппаратурой.
Вход в наш блиндаж. Хохлы взорвали дамбу, затопило все. Вытянули, что успели. Вещи все мокрые. Как сушить, хер знает. Такие дела.
So this year, the Russian army has seen the return of combat donkeys. Now, it seems like we're going to see the return of trench foot. There's also this photo here which was shared of an MRAP doing a nice impression of that floating crane that capsized yesterday in Sevastopol. These photos and the video are all from Vovchansk. I don't have an exact geolocation for it, but this is the view on Deep States. The red cross shows the destroyed dam. And you can see that this river flows south through occupied Vovchansk and occupied areas in Kharkiv. Since the HIMARS strike, the reservoir's water level has dropped over 1.5 metres, causing flooding along the river. So these dugouts and defensive fortifications and roads here will be along the river, heading through occupied Kharkiv, hindering Russian logistics in the area as the river crossings are gone and the roads and the crossing areas are now muddy or covered in water. Hopefully, Ukraine can capitalise on this and launch some kind of counter-attack whilst Russia has their kegs down. Reports online are saying that Russia is now hastily trying to plug the hole in the dam before it gets worse, which I guess means we've finally found a use for General Lord Arsovich here. So that's it for this video, just a short one, but I thought this was worth taking a look at as it's nice to see the Russians in a spot of bother. If you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much and take care everybody.